Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot in Snapchat in iPhone without them knowing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first process that you need to follow is to open Snapchat, or you can start recording your smartphone screen in iPhone, and then you need to click on Snapchat, and then you need to click on the message icon, and you can simply record a screen. And once screen is recorded, you can take a screenshot. So this is the first process, and the second process is you need to open any conversation, and then you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. Once you turn off your Wi-Fi, you can take a screenshot after that, and then you need to turn on the Wi-Fi. So this you can see that you follow these both processes, which is convenient to you to take a screenshot without them knowing of the other person that you take a screenshot. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.